G'day, Sea Dog here. Welcome to my channel for high school drilling students.
Alright, so what we're going to do is I'm going to show you in a second how to solder the ring, the undercarriage in. This is a complete one, and you can see from looking at it that there's basically no solder joint visible. And that's what we want. We want it to be a nice sort of seamless flow. You'll be able to notice it after it's soldered until we clean it up, but the finished result should be like that. What we don't want is huge amounts of excess solder building up in there or in this side in here. It doesn't matter if we get some solder build up in here, because that's obviously going to be cleaned out. We can saw it out with a piercing saw if it gets in here, but this is just another job and it's a little bit tricky, so we don't want that if possible. Okay, so I've got the actual item that we're soldering, this one here that we've just on the previous video shown you how to saw out. We're going to get some we're using hard solder. Always pays to have it marked on just with a bit of tape or that, so that other students in other years who just want to use easy don't get mixed up. So I'm just going to chop a few bits and place it on the charcoal block ready to go. I don't want them to, probably about lengths of about 1/2 centimetre, and just do 3 or 4 just so that if I have to that they're there. May not use them all, but I might use them all. Okay, we need to flux that hole inside of that joint, so I'm just going to take out that undercarriage and use my pick, soldering pick, just to get a bit of flux. Pop it in there, a bit too much, and a bit in there. Okie dokie, so that's good, happy with that. Pop back our bridge. Now this just clicks in, just hold it one side. Okay, that'll be out of focus probably, but okay, that's clicked in, it's looking good. There's a slight gap there, but it's actually pretty decent. Just make sure it's level. Okay, put him back on the brick. Beautiful. This just a charcoal block. It helps reflect heat back into the project, back into the ring, and that's going to help with a quicker join. Just basically going to try and clean a bit of the muck off this pick. That's better. Okay, so I've got a nice clean pick to start with. Now, flame, just a normal flame. So we've got a okay, so what we want with a flame, just a nice neutral flame like that. 3 or 4 mil long. Just going to warm that ring up. Okay, just around the warm the whole ring up, so not purely on the joins. Just get that whole shank nice and warm. Bit ready. Okay, that's good. Melt that into a ball. I'm just going to put some solder there, and that will disappear into the join, but it's going to need a bit more than that. Lovely. Okay, a bit more. Nice. Okay. That's good for that side. Got a little bit of solder built up where I didn't want it in the middle, but I can get that out. That's gorgeous, that side. Closer sides worked a bit better. Come on. That's got it. Okay. Just flip him over, have a look at this side. Yeah, that's pulled that solder nicely in. I'm just going to put a tiny bit more on it. Just chop a couple of little more bits off. It's pretty good though, I'm pretty happy with it. There. Okie dokie, pick flame. Just going to put a little bit more up in here. Right there. Just remember the solder will travel to wherever you've put the heat and wherever you've put the flux. Gorgeous. Yep, happy with that. Happy with that side, looking good. I'm going to put that in the slow cooker, and I've got a nice well soldered joint. It's soldered both sides. That side's looking good, the other side looked good. If there are any little solder holes that I can see after putting it in the pickle bath, then I'll just fill it up, but that's good. It's not too, I haven't got bucket loads of solder in these little holes here, but it has got enough to completely fill in any little gaps or anything that were there. So that's what we're after. It's a strong ring, it's a beautiful ring, and that's easily soldered together with using a charcoal block. Good on you guys, good luck.